out of the box. And so for the Nerf gun, you need, if you want to make the Nerf gun work, you need these cells. There were 4. We put them in. So they're not normal size, they're kind of fat. So and so I had a pack of bullets, and so it came with it. So I have to.
Can you show them how to load it?
Yeah. So see this? We have to put the bullet like inside. But if you put it, make sure you don't put it like this. The bullet's going to shoot like this. So I'm going to put it in. So if you want to get this pack out and unload it again, you have to press this button. Okay. So now, yeah, if you don't want to open it, so there's a thing over here if you want to see, or if you want to put another bullet. So that's for that, and there's this target for target, and so this is for shooting. And see this, if you want to put this on your shoulder, you have to, you have to press this button, so it will get longer. So you can put it, and if you gotta press it again to get it in. So now I'm so excited for this thing, and you can buy this at Walmart.
Can you shoot one bullet and show them? Shoot on the front wall.
The sails are for, you got to press this so the engine starts. And so while you're pushing this thing, you can push this thing too, so it will shoot. So you can load them again, and I like it. So you can carry this thing. Bye guys, and please subscribe.